Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. When it comes to maintaining a pristine lawn, precision matters. Best grass clippers deliver effortless trimming along edges, corners, and hard-to-reach spots, making yard care quicker and more satisfying. Enjoy cleaner lines, reduced strain, and a perfectly manicured garden every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. The King's Yard Clipper. The King's Yard Clipper is designed for gardeners who value control and precision when maintaining clean edges and small green spaces. This hand grass clipper is especially effective for trimming along walkways, borders, and tight corners, where larger tools struggle to reach. Its standout feature is the rotating handle, which can be adjusted to 45 or 90 degrees, allowing comfortable cutting from multiple angles without putting strain on the wrist. The 5.25-inch alloy steel blades are strong, sharp, and durable, making them suitable for consistent lawn manicure work and light head shaping. These blades maintain their edge well, even with repeated use on tougher grass. Comfort is another strong point, as the plastic-coated handles are shaped to sit securely in the hand, reducing fatigue during longer trimming sessions. Overall, the King's Yard Clipper is a reliable manual tool for homeowners who want neat, detailed results without relying on power equipment.
Number 2. Craft 911 Steel Clipper. The Craft 911 Steel Clipper combo offers excellent versatility for gardeners who handle a wide range of pruning tasks, including both pruning shears and a pruning snip. This set is well suited for trimming flowers, vegetables, shrubs, and even thicker branches with minimal effort. The stainless steel blades, enhanced with a titanium coating on the snip, deliver impressive sharpness and long-lasting performance while resisting rust and wear. Comfort is clearly prioritized, with ergonomic, non-slip handles that are especially friendly for seniors or users with arthritis, allowing extended use without hand fatigue. Safety is also well addressed through built-in locking mechanisms that keep the blades securely closed when not in use. Maintenance is simple, as the tools clean easily and retain sharpness with minimal upkeep. This combo pack is a practical choice for gardeners looking for durability, safety, and multi-purpose performance in a single, dependable set.
Number 3. Byhagern Garden Clipper. The Byhagern Garden Clipper is a lightweight and efficient tool tailored for detailed grass and weed trimming in narrow or hard-to-reach areas. Featuring upgraded blades with added heat treatment and hardening, this clipper delivers improved strength while maintaining a sharp cutting edge. Its ergonomic handle design helps reduce fatigue during extended use, while the dipped non-slip handle end enhances comfort and control. Weighing less than 1 pound, it feels easy to maneuver and is ideal for users who prefer a simple manual solution for lawn maintenance. The compact size makes it especially useful for trimming around garden beds, edges, and tight spaces. While it is not intended for woody shrubs or thicker branches, it performs exceptionally well on grass, leaves, and soft weeds. The Byhagern Garden Clipper is a solid choice for light-duty gardening tasks that require accuracy and ease of handling.
Number 4. WORKPRO Scissors Clipper. The WORKPRO Scissors Clipper combines precision cutting with a user-friendly design, making it a dependable tool for maintaining a neat and polished lawn. Its heavy-duty carbon steel blades provide clean, smooth cuts that help achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. One of its most useful features is the 360-degree rotating blade design, which allows users to trim comfortably from virtually any angle. This flexibility is especially helpful when working around edges, corners, or uneven terrain. The lightweight build, at just 280 grams, reduces strain during prolonged use, while the automatic blade reopening mechanism further minimizes hand fatigue. Safety is enhanced with a built-in lock for secure storage and transport. The ergonomic ABS and TPR handle offers a firm, anti-slip grip that feels comfortable even during longer trimming sessions. Overall, the WORKPRO scissors clipper delivers a balanced mix of control, comfort, and cutting efficiency.
Number 5. LIGO Handheld Clipper. The LIGO Handheld Clipper stands out as a convenient cordless solution for gardeners seeking versatility and ease of use. Designed as a 2-in-1 tool, it functions as both a grass shear and a shrub trimmer, making it suitable for edging lawns, shaping small hedges, and maintaining bushes. Powered by a 7.2V rechargeable battery, it offers freedom of movement without the inconvenience of cords. Despite its power, the tool remains lightweight at just 1.31 pounds, reducing arm and hand fatigue during extended tasks. The ergonomic grip and balanced structure provide excellent control, allowing for precise trimming results. Safety is a strong focus, with a double safety lock system that helps prevent accidental activation. This makes it a reliable option for households with varying experience levels. The LIGO Handheld Clipper is ideal for users who want efficient, cordless performance in a compact gardening tool.
With the right grass clippers, your lawn transforms from ordinary to immaculate with ease. Durable, efficient, and easy to handle, they make trimming a simple, enjoyable task. Invest in quality tools, and every edge, corner, and blade of grass will look perfectly maintained, leaving your yard looking professional and polished.